played. Oh god, my voice. I haven't played my ukulele in a while. I haven't played my ukulele in a while. I miss playing it because I've been like, of course, super busy, and I haven't been able to actually sit down and enjoy my ukulele. Yeah, Mickey. Oh, I'm Mickey. Can you tell me where I gave a fuck? I wish I could actually do a Mickey voice. I'm very sad. The two impressions that I want to do are like Minecraft Villager and Carl Wheezer. I can't even do it. Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom. I can't do it. It makes me really sad. I just want to be Carl Wheezer. I just want to be Carl Wheezer. I want to be happy, and that's the one way I can be happy in life, and I just don't think it's gonna work out. So you chase after Jimmy's mom. I chase after Jimmy's mom, yeah. Jimmy's mom! Jimmy's mom! I can't do it. I want to do it so bad. I want to be Carl Wheezer. Is there any, like, I don't think I could do any impressions except for the lady from Monsters Inc. Mike Wazowski. I can't even do it anymore. Mike Wazowski forgot to file in your paperwork. I can't do it. Mike Wazowski. Oh, man.